Celebrated on 25th December is a global festival marking the birth of Jesus Christ, blending religious importance with widespread of cultural traditions.
1000 years earlier. So, I'm here to present the authorization team, what we have been celebrated, what we have been decorated. So, on this day, so a child was born. It was prepared and we have been settled to show you what we have been prepared. So, we have been seeing here in a hut, so we call it crypt. It's representing Christmas. In the middle we have Jesus, and an angel will come to a shepherds and go and give the message about the Savior has born. So we are waiting for very long, and there has been came here the Gnarulu, and they say in English as well also. And so they have been bringing jewelry and gold and everything to present the Jesus, because the Savior has been born. So we are celebrating the Christmas as the religion faith, but the Christmas says about the magical faith and the representation of peace and joy for everyone in the life. So I wish everyone should have been happy and magic should be yet to come into your life. And I'm wishing very happy Christmas to you all.
We have a tradition like we will exchange gifts, family feast, celebrating the Christmas with joy. Like it's like a yes, the King is born, so we will celebrate this kind of tradition we have. So this is.
Coming back to our theme, so home for holidays. If you can see in my view, these are not just dolls and toys. These are people gathered together to enjoy the music, spread some love among themselves, create some good memories, share the good time with the family members and the children. Finally, I would like to conclude saying home is a place where everyone is welcome with joy and a warmth of love and hug.
Thank you. The reason for white Christmas tree is because it represents snow, which we don't have in Hyderabad. So that is something that we can give something a new look compared to others. And
new theme called, it's an old theme, but still he's trying to get it new innovatively as biodegradable world. So here everything that we have prepared is handmade with papers, and that is biodegradable products. So as we know that Advantum is growing ahead, our Santa here is going to take a first step from Advantum Health to the world getting into a biodegradable world. Thank you.
Merry
As we all know, Christmas is celebrated as Christ's birthday. We all gather to celebrate it. As part of being a senior age people and everything, senior employees and all, we gather together. They are showing every effort, everything to celebrate this. We have been deciding from a week. We have been discussing how to celebrate and everything. Everyone contributed their effort and everything, making all the decoration and everything. They have decided how to celebrate, what to bring, what to put for everyone.
Yes. So we have all come together, we have celebrated. I have made some very terrible designs. Please ignore them. They have not even faced them there. So, but I don't have much to say. But yes, Merry Christmas to all. So yes, we are from the West Coast. We don't know much about it, but it's just an overview of it. We're just celebrating it with a lot of joy. And we know that the hope of Jesus is to bring happiness around. And we are spreading all the weight, the joy which is possible. And yes, I just heard we want everyone to be happy, and we are spreading all the joy possible. And I'm wishing everyone a merry and happy.
Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Christmas is a festival of joy and love. As we can see in Advantum over here, we are all gathered together to celebrate the Christmas festival. Everyone among the team members, they are gathered.
Without their father, they came in the entire earth. They have given a good speeches and all these things. So